When we refine the project, certain problems arise because sometimes we need to define the correct construction and functioning of each piece. For example, this region between the leg and the feet. Will refining this piece with a negative space here look good? For now, in the blockout phase, everything works perfectly. But you'll start to see negative forms that didn't initially exist. Will this part look good, or will you need to place it closer to the foot? Notice how the silhouette has already changed a bit. It hasn't caught your attention yet because it's just a blockout, but it's something you'll need to focus on later. Imagine this region changing a bit. These articulated pieces help with foot movement and are well aligned, but in the future, when you clean it up, might a larger step form between them? How big will this step be? These are things that will appear, but right now it's hard to define. The only way to address this is to reach this phase or spend more time blocking out to define the exact silhouette you want. Will these lines stay like this or become more curved and pronounced? These details, depending on your project, might make someone stop and ask if this edge is going out or in, or if it has a secondary corner. All this is only relevant when it becomes relevant, unfortunately. Until now, it hasn't been because we were defining the general structure. But these are things that will appear depending on your level of attention and care. Maybe these are things you'll think about later. For example, how all these little details will interact. This is another area that's similar, the same category of problems that only appear when we start detailing. Initially, we just needed to make a copy, and the idea of two pieces was conveyed. But now we can ask what's happening at the back. Will this piece end up rising and appearing at the top? What's the best solution for their thickness? And do two vertical lines here make for an interesting design? This is a second level of design solution that will need to be resolved. And what will happen with these knee pads that seem to be attached and will open when the leg bends? Ask yourself how it's attached. Is it a rivet? And if so, what does it look like? So regarding your initial question, there's no problem since everything is in place. But surely these small details will start to appear, and that's what makes us spend more time on an area that seemed resolved.